Programming a key fob for your 2008 Chevy Silverado is still a viable DIY option. Your truck uses a remote keyless entry system that communicates via radio frequency. The remote keyless entry system syncs the fob's code to the body control module, which controls vehicle functions. You'll need the correct key fob, like GM part number 20851953, and a functional vehicle battery. The programming process involves cycling the ignition in a sequence and pressing fob buttons within 10 to 30 seconds. Think of it like pairing a Bluetooth device with key turns. A multimeter can help check the fob battery health. If the programming sequence doesn't work, common issues include a dead fob battery or corrosion on the BCM connector. Battery-related issues account for 55% of reprogramming needs. An OBD2 scanner like Torque or AutoZone's tool can help diagnose problems. If DIY fails after a few tries, consider BCM aging or a mismatched fob. While many owners successfully DIY, about 30% face initial failures. Remember, mismatched parts are the cause of 60% of reported issues. If you're stuck, a mechanic or upgrading to an aftermarket smart fob with a new receiver module might be necessary.